when you find a strategy that works and all of a sudden you work it daily, the compound effect starts to take into place. So you put a deal in your pipeline, and then another deal in your pipeline, and then another deal in your pipeline. And after 30 days, you have 30 freaking deals in your pipeline, right, guys? And you have to remember 30 deals times $10,000 GCI per check is $300,000, and you built that in 30 days. Insane, okay?
Yeah.
And what I've realized just even a few short years ago, my income goals were high, but they felt like unrealistic. And I was just sharing with my family, oh my gosh, our lives have completely changed. And our goals that we used to think were so crazy, now they're bare minimum for us. We're shooting so freaking high. And 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we never would have contemplated the goals we have now, ever. And I'm hearing you say the same thing. So I want everyone to hear this out there. If you are down and out and you feel like $100,000 is just out of your league, believe you me, all you're missing is a proven strategy that is simple, that you can work daily, and tracking. Okay, track. So if you are interested, guys, head over to Streamline Success, our 2-day real estate mastery intensive. I'm going to ask Cynthia a question right now, and she's going to tell you whether or not you should go and why. Cynthia, this class this time around is going to be on October 16th and 17th. Instead of attending a webinar that is 55 minutes long, I am going to be teaching these shifts live and giving people actual tools, okay? And the baseline price of the program is $99.
Wait, I have goosebumps.
Okay, so I'm gonna blow your mind even more. If they register prior to October 6th, they get a $72 discount, and it's $27.
Okay, y'all, this is a no-brainer.
Like, why? Tell people why. Explain to people why.
You have to trust the process. Like, look at Danielle. Look at me. I would have never said this 2 years ago. You have to trust the process, show up, and do the work. She has proven skills, proven strategies. Look at where she is. Look at where the people are in her program. If you're feeling like you're stuck, if you're feeling like you're the only one on this island, which is exactly how I felt, you have to do this. It literally will not only transform your business, it transforms your life. I told her before the call, and I didn't want to start crying, and I won't. Like, she has literally transformed my life, not just my business, but it will happen. It does. Do it. Go sign up now.
You want to have your mind blown even more? For $49, they can get tracking systems.
That's the best. That's the best. You don't even have to figure it out then. It's there for you.
So Cynthia, Joe Deli Carpini, Patty Carlson, all these people, they will tell you, you are not going to get the same results that they got by going through our program. You're not. It's impossible. I talk to these agents every day for like 90 days. We pick ourselves up every day for 90 days. You're not going to have this massive transformation that they have. But guess what? You're going to at least be pointed in the right direction. You're going to be told what you need to stop doing now, what you're wasting money on, because that's the other part of profit, is reduce your expenses. What we teach is absolutely free to do. Okay. So number one, you're going to get told what to stop doing. Number two, we're going to tell you exactly what to do. And then we're going to give you the tracking sheets, which is the cornerstone of why my students do so well. Now, it's not going to get you the full mile, guys, but it's going to get you moving in the right direction. Cynthia, once they get a few deals in their belt using these strategies, do you recommend that they actually join coaching?
Oh, 100%, 150%. You don't, in this program, you do not get a tiny, even a slice of, like, if you join a team that's promising you the moon, the stars, the planets, everything, you're not getting any of this if you join a team. If you join this program, you get everything. I'm dead serious. I cannot say that enough. You're not going to get this on a real estate team that's even going to promise you that they will do half of it.
You know, that blows my mind all the time when people say they don't have money for coaching. It blows my mind because most people will pay their broker 20, 30, 40, 50. I've seen $150,000 paid out to a team or a brokerage, but you can't afford a coach.
Right.
Let your broker be your broker. Let your broker talk about contracts. Let your broker give you E&O insurance. Let your broker be there to answer questions when you're in a hard transaction, and hire a real estate coach to level your business up. Your broker doesn't do that.
No, and look at the most successful agents too, or business owners or whoever. They all have coaches. They all have mentors. I mean, it's crucial. It's critical if you want to be successful.
So guys, Deal a Day Pipeline, Streamline Success, 2-day mastery is Monday, October 16th, Tuesday, October 17th from 11 to 1 Eastern. It currently costs $27. Prices will go up shortly for $49. You can also get the tracking sheets. And then you're going to learn the simple strategies and proven methods that have led to hundreds of realtors this year put a deal a day in their pipeline for every 5 conversations that they have without the ick. All right, Cynthia, any sign off words?
Just go do it. Stop thinking about it and go sign up. She's wonderful and you will not regret it.